Welcome to Visionary Designs, where we explore the balance of tradition and innovation. Today, we dive into a space that embodies both warmth and contemporary flair. Modern rustic kitchens. Imagine a kitchen where the charm of rustic materials meets sleek, minimalist lines, creating an inviting yet functional space. It's a design philosophy that brings together the best of both worlds, offering comfort, style, and the feeling of home. In a modern rustic kitchen, every element tells a story, a blend of old-world craftsmanship and cutting-edge design. Let's explore how these kitchens create a perfect harmony between past and present, tradition and modernity. The beauty of a modern rustic kitchen lies in its ability to blend natural, time-honored materials with the clean lines and open spaces of modern design. It's a style that feels both familiar and fresh, where the rugged textures of stone, wood, and metal meet sleek surfaces and contemporary appliances. These kitchens often feature exposed beams, reclaimed wood, and stone countertops, but it's how these rustic elements are paired with modern simplicity that makes the style so unique. The space feels cozy and lived in, yet there's a sense of balance and refinement. It's rustic without being cluttered, modern without feeling cold. Imagine a kitchen where a sleek, stainless steel fridge sits next to a rough-hewn wooden island, or where polished concrete floors complement the warmth of exposed brick walls. These juxtapositions make modern rustic kitchens both welcoming and functional, where each material enhances the other. At the heart of a modern rustic kitchen are natural materials, wood, stone, metal, that bring warmth and texture to the space. These elements ground the kitchen, making it feel connected to the earth and the past. But the magic of this style comes in the way these materials are used in modern, refined ways. Think of reclaimed wood for cabinetry or open shelving, offering a sense of history and sustainability. Or stone countertops that bring a tactile, organic feel, balanced by sleek modern fixtures like minimalist faucets and industrial lighting. It's about layering textures, the rough with the smooth, the matte with the polished, to create a space that feels both rugged and elegant. Modern touches like stainless steel appliances or matte black fixtures blend effortlessly with the rustic charm, bringing in a sense of sophistication without overpowering the space. A modern rustic kitchen isn't just about looks, it's about creating a space that invites people to gather. There's an inherent warmth to the design that encourages socializing, cooking, and sharing meals with loved ones. The kitchen becomes the heart of the home, a place where conversations flow as easily as the food being prepared. The open-plan design, often seen in modern rustic kitchens, allows for easy movement and connection. the island becomes a gathering spot where friends and family can sit, chat, and help with meal prep. The rustic materials, wood, stone, and metal, invite touch, giving the kitchen a tactile, comfortable feel that makes everyone feel at home. Imagine a kitchen where a sturdy, reclaimed wood dining table sits at the center, surrounded by modern chairs, creating a perfect blend of rustic charm and contemporary comfort. It's a space that feels authentic, a place where memories are made. In a modern rustic kitchen, the color palette is inspired by nature, earthy tones that bring warmth and a sense of calm. You'll often find shades of warm brown, soft beige, deep charcoal, and muted greens and blues. These colors not only reflect the natural materials used, but also enhance the feeling of being connected to the outdoors. The walls might feature neutral tones like off-white or pale gray, providing a clean backdrop for the rich textures of wood and stone. Accent colors can be brought in through kitchen accessories, open shelving, or even a painted feature wall, adding subtle pops of warmth without overpowering the space. The balance between rustic and modern is maintained through these natural, muted colors, which add to the sense of peace and comfort in the kitchen. Modern rustic kitchens combine the simplicity of modern design with the charm of rustic elements. This creates a space that feels both timeless and fresh. The modern touches, sleek cabinetry, minimalist lighting, and clean lines ensure the kitchen is functional and efficient, while the rustic materials, wooden beams, stone counters, and farmhouse sinks keep it grounded and full of character. It's a style that allows for personal expression. Whether through handcrafted elements or unique vintage pieces, a modern rustic kitchen feels like it has a story. It's a space that's not just designed for cooking, but for living, a place where design and comfort go hand in hand. This balance of the modern and the rustic creates a space that feels authentic and timeless, where simplicity is key, but charm is never lost. Modern rustic kitchens are more than just a design trend. They are spaces that combine the best of both worlds. They offer the warmth and texture of natural materials with the clean, functional beauty of modern design. If this blend of old and new inspires you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Visionary Designs for more journeys into spaces that transform the way we live. Let's continue exploring how thoughtful design can bring us closer to comfort, beauty, and the simple pleasures of home.